Hi! In front of me is TECNO Spark 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Security. After that, tap on Screen Lock at the top and select one of those login methods: pattern, PIN or password. After you decide, select Next at the bottom and create your login method. Then tap on Next. Repeat it in order to confirm it and click on Confirm. Last but not least, decide what you wish to do with lock screen notifications by tapping on one of those options: Show notification content, Show notifications but hide content, or Don't show lock screen notifications. I will go with the second option, Show notifications but hide content. So when I click, I need to tap on Done at the bottom. Finally, when I turn off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!